Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Google Docs chart. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Google Docs chart. So in Google Docs, there's a lot of charts. There's four charts. When you click on insert and go to chart right here, you will see there's four charts. We have the bar, column, and line, and pie. So the bar, this looks like, of course, this looks like this, as you can see right here. There you go. That's what the bar looks like. You can also adjust it if you want. Adjust this ratio, text, color, or any adjustments here, and text. There you go. So yeah, that's the chart there, and that's the bar chart. And we're gonna go to the second chart right here, the columns. And once this is the column, let's see. There you go. The next is we have line. This is the line, and here does it look like line. There you go. You can also open source, and you can change it here. Really? There you go. And the last one is pi. Here pi. There you go. You can make it that any of those. And to change it, you can just open the source again. There you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys. One tip. When making a chart, always choose an image that follows with what you're doing. Example, if you're doing a population thing, choose by work, column, money, line, bar, maybe status of the business. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.